You don't like it?
This is banana and avocado.
That's a pretty good waist.
On her 6-month birthday.
Looks like he's about to hurl. Okay, try a little bit. Yeah? Like it? Oops. There we go. Let's try and load you up a little bit. Yeah? That's good. Not bad. Oops. Yeah? You want to hold it yourself? Tasty. I like it. It's a birthday slop. Stick a candle in a bowl of birthday slop. There we go. Oh yeah. Good. She's talking a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. So you found your appetite. Ooh. Alright, let's fill you up. Hang on, let's get a good one. Ooh. Is it the banana you like? Maybe it's the banana. Whoa.
Yummy!
Maybe like that. Maybe that. Try a bit more. It's like talking to a food.
I know.
That's supposed to talk with your mouth full.
Okay, that's gross.
Pretty good.
I want to zoom in because her noises are so cute, but
The nose is so cute.
it's kind of a gross scene to zoom into.
Well, the next time we do this, let me get the mic on it.
Yeah, let's do
So
audio
cute.
only.
We'll use like squelch, burp. Cute sounds.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,